Push it forward twice. Pull it back twice. Nice. Now we're going to push it forward twice again. Alright, now you hit the steering wheel and you can park us. Turn us into the park. That's it, turn it that way. Yep. And reach again. Yep, keep turning. And again, keep going. Yep, keep turning. That's it, keep turning. Now straighten her up. Now straighten it. Now pull it back towards you. No, not that one. Just the steering wheel. No, you've turned it enough now. Now straight. Yep, that's it. Pull it down. Yep. Now look at where we're going. We're going straight. We're going to go straight there. That looks pretty straight, eh? That's pretty good.
Over here focusing.
Nice. Good work. Good parking. Alright, what do you say to the camera? How was your first time driving?
Good.
Alright, put it in neutral. Pull it back one. Pull the gear stick back one. Just one. Now forward one. Yep. Now back one. Good. Leave it there. Shake it sideways. No, that's enough. Yeah, good. Like that. Perfect. Thumbs up to the camera.
Oh, wait.
Yep. Still got no teeth.